Yesterday, October 2nd, 2021, the Richland Airport saw a very unique aircraft, November 621 Alpha. It's a 1929 Kreutzer K-5 Air Coach and the only one flying in the world at this time. This aircraft was restored back in the 90s after being found in Mexico and packed out of the jungle. The K-5 was known as a baby tri-motor high-wing monoplane powered by three 100-horsepower 5-cylinder Kenner engines. The aircraft has a cruise speed of 110 miles per hour and a range of about 520 miles. With the additional horsepower upgrades from the K2 and K3 models, the plane could carry a crew of 2 and 4 passengers. There was ample room and good comfort in the spacious cabin, offering heat, ventilation, and safety shatterproof glass, with a promise for extra margin of safety due to the performance upgrade of the three 100 horsepower engines. It has a span of 48 feet, 10 inches, and a length of 33 feet, 6 inches. This aircraft does not have electronics on board, so it has to be hand-propped, and our own Dennis Nichols gave the pilots a hand yesterday getting it back underway. The plane is headed to Illinois, and we're fortunate enough at Richland to see such a cool example. Hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more as we spot cool airplanes at Richland. Have a great day.